Hey GadInsider crew! Google just unleashed its AI mode in the UK, and it's about to change how you search forever. From voice commands to snapping pictures, this is AI-powered searching like you've never seen before. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Google's new AI mode is shaking up its iconic search engine in the UK. Instead of the usual list of blue links, AI mode delivers conversational answers that feel like chatting with a super smart friend. It's powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 model and designed to handle your trickiest questions. As Google's product manager Hima Balaraju puts it, we've gone from typing clean carpet stain to asking, I spilled coffee on my Berber carpet, find me a pet-friendly cleaner. This is search getting personal. What makes AI mode stand out? It's truly multimodal, meaning you can search however feels natural. Type a question, tap the mic to speak, or even snap a photo with your camera to ask about what you see. Imagine pointing your phone at a plant and asking, what's this and how do I care for it? AI mode analyzes the image and serves up a detailed answer with web links to dig deeper. Google says this is perfect for complex tasks like trip planning, product comparisons, or tackling how-tos. Early users are already asking questions 2 to 3 times longer than typical searches. AI mode is not replacing Google's classic search yet. It's optional, showing up as a tab on your search results or in the Google app for Android and iOS. But experts warn this shift could shake things up for publishers and businesses relying on search traffic. It's been claimed that clicks dropped 50% since Google's AI overviews launched, and AI mode's fewer links might mean less traffic for sites. Still, Google insists it's unlocking new ways to explore the web. Why does this matter? Because AI mode is Google's answer to ChatGPT and other AI chatbots stealing the spotlight. People want fast, natural answers, and Google's delivering with smarter, more intuitive search. Whether you're a student researching, a shopper comparing gadgets, or just curious, AI mode makes searching feel effortless. Plus, it's live in the UK now, following rollouts in the US and India, so you can try today. That's the latest tech buzz from GadInsider. Have you tried AI mode yet? Drop a comment with your thoughts or what you search for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech news.